Hey there, Bruce Woodburn, WDBO and 102.5 The Bone, CrossCountry Mortgage. And it's time for the three big things you need to know. If you're a real estate agent, you're going to want to pay real close attention to this. There has just been a ginormous lawsuit settled from Remax for $55 million and from Anywhere Realty, formerly known as Reology Holdings, that is the parent company for Coldwell Banker, Century 21, Sterling Sotheby's International, and Corcoran Realty. So they just paid $85 million in this lawsuit. Now, the lawsuit alleges that NAR, the Association of Realtors, and MLS have violated antitrust rules, being that they require that the seller pays not only the seller's real estate commission, but the buyer's real estate commission. Now, so they believe that the buyer should pay their own real estate commission and the seller should pay the seller's be paid by the seller. Well, I'm going to tell you right now, folks, that's not going to work, and it won't work at all. And if you think the market is tough today, if that law gets in put in place, it's going to cut out most buyers, because most buyers are struggling with down payment, let alone coming up with the money to pay 3% to a buyer's agent. But let's just put this in perspective, because it's silliness. When you put your home on the market and you pay the 6% commission that's going to cover the listing agent and the buyer's agent, you've already backed it into your price. So you've already compensated for it. So you go, I want to sell a house for $450,000 and I'm going to pay $25,000 in real estate commission. I know what my net gain's going to be out of that. So it's built into it. The buyer's paying it to the seller and the seller's making it when they sell the house. And everything is fine. We have the best real estate system in the world. They all look up to us. Why are we trying to screw it up now? It's one of the things that we've done very well. Second big thing you need to know. There is still a lot of buyer reluctance out there to get in the market right now. And we understand. They're all saying, well, the market's unstable. I think interest rates are too high. We hear it all, right? But here's the facts. First of all, interest rates are not too high. They're under the last 40-year average, well under. Okay. Secondly is, do you believe in supply and demand? Because I think it's pretty basic principle of economics. If there's not a lot of supply and there is demand, then prices go up. And right now, there's actually an anomaly in the market where there is no supply, but there's not enough demand because of interest rates being a little higher. But as soon as interest rates drop, what do you think's going to happen to the demand? You got it. Here's the strategy. Buy now. The market is flat. You can negotiate with a seller. You're not going to do it when interest rates drop. There's going to be too many buyers jumping in. That's the second thing. Third big thing you need to know. So 2-1 buy downs got popular. If you don't understand a 2-1 buy down, let me know. But I'll give you an example. If the prevailing rate right now was 7.25, and you could get a rate of 5.25 for the first year, 6.25 second year, third year it goes to 7.25. Pretty good deal. Now, it has to be seller funded, so the seller has to pay for it. But right now, I'm seeing sellers willing to negotiate, and they better negotiate because interest rates are going to go up before they go down. So if they don't negotiate now, they may be stuck with the property longer than they anticipated. So it's giving you buyers the clear signal that this is the time to get in the market. 18 months, 24 months from now, we're going to refinance you. If you bought a $450,000 house, put 5% down, and your interest rate dropped by 2%, say 7.5 to 5.5 or 7 to 5, it's going to save you almost $600 a month. Don't wait for interest rates to drop. Do it now. You wait for interest rates to drop, price of the house is going to go through the roof. And you won't even be able to get in. If you're a first-time home buyer, you're going to be shoved right out of the market. You don't stand a chance. Buy now, negotiate now. If you need a great real estate agent, call me. If you are a great real estate agent, we should be doing business together. Have a great day.